Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the background sounds volume on the iPhone 15 series. Now there are two ways of doing this. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, go down and then tap on audio and visual. Then in here, tap on background sounds. Now when you select a sound, then at the bottom here, there will be a volume controller. So you can drag it to the right to increase the volume, or you can drag it to the left to decrease the volume. Now, as well as controlling the volume from here, you can also use the side button to even further increase or decrease the volume. And here you can see, if I go back to my home screen, you will notice the sound is quite loud. And I can go into the control center. In the control center, I can tap on hearing, and here I can increase or decrease the volume, and it can get really loud. So you can hear it gets very loud as we turn the volume up to the maximum. And that's it. So you can change the volume from the control center or from the settings menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.